This is already done. Now the second step is to create an AWS Connect instance. How it is done? It's a very simple. When you come over here on Amazon Connect service, you can search over here, Amazon Connect, and you will be landed on this page. Once you are here, click on add an instance. Now, when you click on add an instance, there are multiple identity management options you will find, but you can just use the first two option and you can type in the instance name. So whatever instance name you want to keep, you can mention over here. So let's say I put TC04, Thinkcloudly 04, click on next. And for now, I can click on no administrator. I don't need any administrator. And then I can click on next. So I want to allow incoming calls and I also want to allow outgoing calls. Okay. And then I can click on next. Now over here, this is a very important step, guys. So all your calls gets recorded and there's a transcript as well. There are multiple things which this AWS Connect try to record for future purposes so that you can audit the call. You can check what's going on in your IVR. So this is a data storage and it will automatically create an S3 bucket. So people who know what is S3, it's actually a bucket where you can store data. And it will create a CloudWatch flow logs as well. After that, click on next. You don't have to make any changes over there. And now you can just click on create instance. So it's simple. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I think it allows only one instance. So let me delete this one. Just a moment. Okay, so I'm gonna click on add an instance. Again, I'm gonna follow the same steps. TC04, click on next, no administrator, click on next, click on next, and click on next. I think you can just click on next. It should be done. And then create instance. So you will be able to create your instance. So you can see over here that your instance is being setting up. So it takes like 2 or 3 minutes of time. It's not very quick. But it will be done very, you will see the status changed from pending to active very soon. So you can see over here, we are almost done. Okay, see, it's active now. The status is active. So we have successfully created our AWS Connect instance. So we can go inside and we can see over here, this is our AWS Connect instance. So over here, you can see that we are done with our second step as well. So it was quite simple.